Lisa, this 2023 Cricket World Cup is turning out to be one of the most exciting tournaments in recent memory.
Absolutely, Chris. It's been a roller coaster of emotions with unexpected twists and thrilling performances.
The competition this year is fierce. So many teams seem to have upped their game.
Look at that brilliant catch by the fielder. This tournament has seen some outstanding fielding displays.
Yes, the athleticism of the players has been incredible. It's not just about batting and bowling anymore.
Speaking of batting, have you seen the incredible form Virat Kohli is in? He's smashing centuries left and right.
Kohli is a class act. His consistency is remarkable. And those cover drives, simply poetry in motion.
You know, I am a fan of Joe Root. He's been leading England's charge with his exceptional batting.
Root is a true captain, leading by example. His adaptability in all formats of the game is a pleasure to watch.
This World Cup has seen some high-scoring matches. The pitches have been favorable to the batsman.
It's true, and that adds to the excitement. But it also tests the bowler's skills in adapting to different conditions.
Did you see the last over of India-Pakistan match? The bowler defended 6 runs, and it was edge-of-the-seat stuff.
Oh, that match was a classic. The rivalry between India and Pakistan always delivers high drama.
And we must not forget about the fans, the passion, the flags, the chants. It's a cricketing carnival.
The fans add a special element to the World Cup. The energy in the stadium is electrifying.
I still remember our own World Cup celebrations back in 2011. Those late-night matches with friends and family.
That was a memorable time. The world stops when the World Cup is on.
I have always dreamt of attending a World Cup match in person, soaking in the atmosphere.
That's on my bucket list too, experiencing the chants. The camaraderie and the roar of the crowd would be incredible.
Just picture being in the stadium, witnessing a close finish between two top teams. The excitement would be unparalleled.
The deafening cheers, the flags waving, and the iconic moments. It's every cricket fan's dream.
And who could forget the legends of the game like Sachin Tendulkar and Sir Vivian Richards? They have set records that seem unbreakable.
Tendulkar is a cricketing icon. And Richards' dominance with the bat was legendary. They've left a lasting legacy.
So, who do you think will be the standout performers of the World Cup?
Well, players like Babar Azam and Kane Williamson have been in exceptional form. They might end up as top run scorers.
True, both of them are world-class batsmen, and I would not be surprised if Jasprit Bumrah or Pat Cummins top the wickets chart.
Fast bowlers like them are always game changers, but in cricket, there's always room for surprises.
I hope this World Cup goes smoothly without any controversies or disruptions.
Let's hope for a tournament filled with cricketing brilliance and fair play.
And which team are you backing to win this year?
Well, Lisa, I'm a fan of the New Zealand cricket team. Their consistency and team spirit are exceptional.
New Zealand has a way of winning hearts with their sportsmanship, but I can't help but cheer for Australia.
Australia has a rich history in World Cups. Their aggressive cricket style is always thrilling to watch.
But the West Indies team is on the rise. Their power hitters and quality bowlers make them a dark horse.
The West Indies team is loaded with talent. If they find their groove, they can be a force to reckon with.
It's been a great chat, Chris. Let's catch up again soon, maybe after the World Cup final.
Absolutely, Lisa. Enjoy the rest of the tournament. And we'll analyze it all later.
Have a great day, Chris, and maybe the best team win.
You too, Lisa. Let's celebrate the game of cricket soon.